Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable pattern lock in Webull application. If you want to keep your investment safe and private, then you can enable pattern lock on the Webull app, so follow along till the end. First of all, launch the Webull app, open on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Now from the home page, tap the menu button at the bottom right corner. Inside the menu button, click on Settings. Under Settings, click on Account and Security at the top. Now scroll down and tap on Pattern Lock under Account and Security and toggle on the button right next to Pattern Lock. Now draw a pattern you'd like to lock with and then reconfirm it by drawing it again on the next page. After you do that, you have successfully turned on the pattern lock option. Now, every time you open up your Webull app, you'll be required to draw your pattern. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.